In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to see unknown callers on Android. First, start by opening your phone app and going to your recent calls. You will see something like unknown or no caller ID. Now, even if you tap on the info icon, you will see that the number is hidden and not linked to your phone. Now, there are two methods. The first one is use *69. Go to your keypad and dial *69, then press the call button. This will automatically call back the last number that called you. In some cases, this can reveal the actual phone number. You don't have to stay on the call. Once the number appears, you can just hang up. Keep in mind that this doesn't work on all phones or carriers. It may immediately place a call. Now, the second method is use a caller ID app. Open Google Play Store, then search for caller ID app. A popular option is Truecaller. Download and install this application and set it up. This app can identify unknown callers in real time, show names or business info, flag spam or scam calls. Remember that this app works best when it's already installed before the call happens, so it won't be able to trace the previous call. So for best results, install one now so future unknown callers can be detected instantly. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.